Hey, welcome to PIA Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this tutorial I will show you how to vectorize watercolor texture in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's start. If you haven't watched our previously published lessons, I strongly recommend you to watch them. The videos playlist link is available in the description box. So this is my watercolor. It has transparent background. If you zoom in, you will see this is pixelated. It is a raster image right now. So I am going to vectorize it. Select the image and go to Window, and here select Image Trace to open its dialog box. Here in the preset, select the high fidelity photo. Now I am going to open the advanced settings. When you vectorize watercolors, it is very important to look at the number of paths, anchors, and color you have in your texture. The more paths and anchors you have, the larger your file will be. And watercolor files can be very big. Now here, let's come to the paths. If you have a low number of paths, you might have many very small empty areas in your textures. It is easy to fix, but it takes a lot of time. So usually you should increase the paths of it to something like 60%. Always make sure that here the palette is set to full tone. And now increase the color to 95% or 100%. There is not any noticeable change, but when you zoom in now, you can see that this has vectorized and it is not a pixelated image anymore. When you are happy with your settings, go to Object and click on Expand. Click OK. So this is our vector image of watercolor texture. So this is how you can vectorize the watercolor texture. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.